Hi folks, I'm going to show you how to add, once you've set up a Search Console account, i.e. registered to your Google, which there is another video for, and I'll put a link to that. But I'm then going to show you how to add that to your website. So I'm going to search for Webmaster Tools. Okay, these are all my properties. I'm going to add a property. I need to put the website name in. Add. And it's going to ask me to do two things. Use the domain registrar, which, depending on the registrar, can be complicated, or the simplest one in my view, add a meta tag to the home page. So I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to go to the website. I'm going to go to Yoast. And there's a section called Webmaster Tools. I'm going to ask you to put your code in. So I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to save changes. Then I'm going to go back to Search Console, and I'm going to verify. And it should say success. There we go, job done. And that is how you add your Search Console to your website using Yoast.